Ministry is here to conduct today's morning assembly. It is well said that learning never stops. For this, I would like to thank our academic advisor ma'am, principal ma'am, and loving teachers to keep our learning going on and making us feel as if we are in school, doing all activities, meeting friends, and attending classes online. Nothing can start without prayer, which purifies our mind and soul. So let's start our day with offering our prayer to Supreme Almighty. So join your hands and close your eyes for the prayer.
Father, we thank thee for the night. Father, we thank thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care, for rest and food and loving care, and all that makes the world so fair, and all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should. Help us to do the things we should. To be to others kind and good. To be to others kind and good. In all we do at work or play. In all we do at work or play. To grow more loving every day. To grow more loving.
It is very important to keep ourselves updated, which also shows our awareness towards our nation and society. News make us understand what is happening around the world. So, to enlighten us with current happenings, here is their thought with news headlines.
Good morning. Today's news headlines are: Punjab CM condemns attempt to convert Pakistan Gurdwara into mosque. A million more affected by floods in Bihar. Heavy rain forecast in northern districts. 21-day notice to call house unless for trust vote Rajasthan governor to CM. Government bars 47 clones of banned Chinese apps. India now has world's fastest coronavirus growth rate. Now some sports news. Rohit Sharma can create a Virender Sehwag-like impact in tests. IPL set to start on September 19, final on November 8 at UAE. Thank you.
As we all know, thoughts keeps on going in our mind, but good and inspiring thoughts can spice up our day. Reading good thoughts in the morning works like fuel which keeps us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. Here comes Kanav Garg with an inspiring thought.
And today's thought is: don't see others as doing better than you. Beat your own record every day and you will surely find success. Remember, success is a fight between you and yourself. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
One of the deepest and noblest of human emotions, the bond of love between brother and sister, Rakhi, a holy thread. Yes, this is the topic of our assembly. Raksha Bandhan is a special occasion to celebrate this emotional bonding when a sister ties a Rakhi around her brother's wrist and prays for his long life, and brother reciprocates by offering her the gift she loves the most. Now, Nana of our class would like to share her feelings about this festival.
Born of love, Raksha Bandhan. India is the land of festivals. All festivals have its own importance. One of them is Raksha Bandhan, its unique gift to Indian culture. It is a traditional Indian festival celebrated by all states of India with various ways and styles. It is a traditional Indian festival which is internal bond between brother and sister for love and protection. Sisters apply tilak on their brother's forehead and tie a holy thread called Rakhi to the wrist. A brother has to presents and promises to protect her in return. Importance and significance of this festival in India is to protect your sister throughout your life. This festival also has important social significance in terms of respect of women. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all.
Now here is Sohana with a beautiful poem.
Someone who hides my toys and breaks my doll, but he picks me up whenever I fall. Someone who stands by my side and holds my hand when things don't go well. He helps me understand. Someone who makes funny faces to see how I would react. I love my brother, and that is a fact. This spice day of Raksha Bandhan, we strengthen our bond and make a connection which will remain as life progressive in uncertain times and unknown directions. I rely on you, my dear brother, and hope you rely on me too, for I shall be there till the very end. On me, you know you can depend. Love you, brother. Happy Raksha Bandhan.
Assembly can't be completed without a dance performance. So get ready to tap your feet with the tunes of the music. Let's watch the beautiful dance presented by the students of our class.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है। जब से मेरी आँखों से हो गई तू दूर, तब से सारे जीवन के सपने हैं चूर। जब से मेरी आँखों से हो गई तू दूर, तब से सारे जीवन के सपने हैं चूर। आँखों में